Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel Tech It's Simple, where we post guide videos, and this video is for those people who want to go live in TikTok. Now remember, you need to have more than 1,000 followers in TikTok in order to go live. So, if you look at my screen, I have more than 1,000 followers. I have 2,457 followers, so I can go live in TikTok, but if you have less than 1,000 followers in TikTok, you cannot go live in TikTok. Alright, so this video is for those people who have more than 1,000 followers. So, let me show you guys how we guys can go live in TikTok. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It's Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any questions, you can feel free to ask in the comment. Now let's jump into the video without any further ado. First step, you open your TikTok and click on the plus icon at the bottom of his screen in the middle. Once you click on it, your camera will open up just like this. Now once your camera opens up at the bottom of your screen, there's going to be the live option. Now if you have 1,000 followers, you're going to have this live option. If you don't, you can see the live option. So if you see the live option, click on live over here. Once you click on live, it's going to take you to the live section. And over here at the top you can choose like a title for going live. So I'm going to write demo over here because it's a demo, and over here on add a topic you can click on it, choose which topic you want to go live on. Alright, there's going to be tons of topic, and if you click on flip, your camera is going to turn into your front camera. And if you want to enhance, you can click on enhance to like enhance your eyes or face, or you can even use filters over here. If you want effects, you can go on effects. If you want settings, you can click on settings over here. And you can choose whichever settings you want. And if you want to, share, you can click on share in order to share your life as well. If you want to go to Life Center, you can go to Live Center over here as well. So basically, if we click on Go Live over here, then your life will start, but I don't want to go live right now. So I'm not going to click on Go Live, I'm just going to cross it at the top of the screen. So if you guys want to go live, you have to click and go live though, right? So hope you guys understand how you guys can go live in TikTok. If you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech It's Simple. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye, until then.